As I'm climbing up the mountain, I'm just scanning the area as I go. And if I hear something real nice, I'll stop and check it out. Chances are it would be a beer can. All right. You guys ever seen these? It's like a growth on the tree. They become like a knot. Cedars, pines. Sometimes they get them. All right. We got a little ways to go. Top. I'll get back with you. Got a little ways to go to the top. All right, we're about that far from the top, and we're gonna have a pretty good view here in just a minute. And we're gonna see what it is. All right, hang tight. You know what I forgot, guys? Y'all are not gonna believe this. I forgot the pin pointer. I surely did. I knew I was forgetting something. I didn't know it was like that bad. We're close. I think I see it. Nope. Hang tight, guys. Looks like a pack of cigarettes got us again. Yep, pack of cigarettes. Let's go find something else. All right, I'm gonna see if I can get you guys a better view. Just gotta watch out for snakes. Talk about a view. Okay, guys, if you ever come upon one of these, and I don't know if this is a place where it's sunk in or okay, it's not a bear's den. False alarm. Ooh, that was scary. That was scary. All right, we're almost to the top, okay? Hang tight. Well, we have finally made it to the top. And I have hunted every which of the way. Kind of looks like a little cutout right there. But As promised, we are at the top. I do not foresee taking any more video because we cannot go any further. I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. Stay safe. And let's get this rock out of our shoe. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Later. So I was taking a break and I happened to see that and I thought, oh, and I happened to see that. I wonder why, or let me back up. I wonder who, and I also wonder why someone done this. I thought for blasting holes, but it's not deep enough, and it's like they went so far on each one of them and stopped. Not really sure. Any idea? Leave a comment. Let me know. Let's go find something else. You guys do remember me saying there probably won't be any more video, right? Yeah. I told you a story. But we're getting close. I just wanted you to see that view one last time. And there's Mr. Sun. Talk about a view. Look at that lizard doing push-ups. See? GoPro, stop recording.